Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Yeah, we're jumping in right after the next one. We basically right from the same spot, but we did a lot of work between then. We did a lot of mining, so we got a ton of resources, a bunch of diamonds. We actually have cobble now, so we don't have to worry about running out. Yeah, that was something we worry about. So we are gonna get these diamonds to use in a little bit with an enchantment table and stuff, but I still need a ton of leather, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for that. I built this nifty thing where you can just go whoop and slide down here, and then this is where the actual stuff is gonna be, the actual smelting. So let me just show you what we need to do for this. Right now we need a hopper, 2 hoppers here, double chest there. We need furnace, hopper, chest, hopper, chest. Yes. So these actually need to be taken out here. Every 2, I think. Yeah. And that should do it. And this isn't really going to be decorated. We're just going to have a hunky junky. So we're going to do 3 modules, and each one requires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoppers, and 2 furnaces. So let's go grab those. Oh yeah. Kind of need to click that to get out. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's we have a furnace here. We need 6 more furnaces. We need 5 more furnaces. Let's grab you. And furnace. Okay. And we need a lot of chests because we need a chest for every hopper. So there's 6 hoppers and 6 chests in each one. So 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So we need 36 chests. Each chest takes 2 pieces of wood. We need a lot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how much we'll need. Yeah, this is not good because we're gonna need a lot of inventory space, so let's just chuck a bunch of this crap in here. And now we're good. And 36 chests. We need a ton of iron. 5 iron times 6 times 3, so 18 times 5 is a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. So let's we should have some over here, I think. We have a hopper. That's good. No iron, so that's a lot, yeah. Let's just keep this flipped up for now, because it looks kind of bad when it's not. Okay. So, we might need to do a little bit of mining in the next video or 2, but for now we'll be good. So let's just pop you in here. So that'll make 11. Which isn't bad. We need 18. So we won't need to, but we can make 2 right now. We can make 2 of them. So let's just pop down and I'll show you how to make them. Wait, did I get everything I need? Chest, yes. Okay. And okay. So here's how you make it. When you look at the furnace, you'll always, the furnace goes here. The top is where the is where you always put the fuel. No, top is where you always put the... It's top is where you put the stuff that you're smelting. And fuel. And then this is where you take it out. So usually it's the top. Oh wait, we have to do this crazy weird trick. And then let's put down the chest here. That means one here, one here. That's actually gonna be impossible to put in, so let's just knock you out. And if we knock this one out, then we'll be able to access that chest. And then we can just place it through here. There we go. Does that mean? Yes, it does. I forgot that's the new thing. I should probably get a torch here real quick. Sorry if you can't see. Okay. Let me grab a torch. It's about to be nighttime, so... let's sleep. Not right now. Let's put this torch in. Grab the bed. Put this torch in and sleep down there. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. That is a little annoying to get down, but it's necessary for it to look good. I just had one of those moments where you feel like you have to sneeze, but you don't, and it's like, sneeze or don't make me feel both at once. Actually, we don't need that to be changed. Okay, and you can put the chest in like this. Okay, so now take you, grab the chest again. Oh well, that's fine. So chest there, chest. Okay, we want a chest here. I hate that it does that. Slightly. Oh, we can't shift. Just have to. Well, you have to place it like that then. Yeah. And then hopper like this, sleep. Almost forgot to do that, but that would have been bad. No light over there. It's not too good. I forget why I was taking those snapshots. I think I was just misclicking, opening the something. Okay, so that should, you put the thing you want to smelt up there, thing you want to, the fuel down here, and you take it out from there. So I think that's good. Let's just build one more of these. What do we need? We don't need that. We need that. Yeah, and whatever, something just to fill that. That. Okay, that. Actually, I have to place this in, so then. Okay, and we'll also have room to access some maintenance if we ever need to do any. Which I doubt we will. I don't see any reason we would need to do maintenance, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I forget. I always forget. Okay. And now that's in here, isn't it? One of these. That's why we need this back corridor. So you can access these frickin' furnaces when something bad goes in here. There we go. Yeah, that was a lot of wood for the chest, so it's not something I want to just be throwing around and losing all the time. So let's go grab those. We'll have an extra chest left. Reason? I don't know. Oh, it's because we had that hopper that we didn't use. So we'll just put you there. That's fine. So let's grab the stuff from here. 32 should be enough. And copper, 6. Perfect amount. Great. And we still have a stack of iron, which, I mean, I wish I had more, but, you know, what, it doesn't matter. Not too much. Okay. And we can't do that on ladder, and there we go. So, you, and, huh? Question mark? Did I miscalculate? I must have placed the chest wrong there. I guess I did. So I didn't miscalculate. I'm just a little bit not good at this. Okay, let's do you. Oh no, I actually can't do that one first. That's gonna go in there, that's gonna go in there, and let's do this one. Yeah. We can actually place it from the top then. Right? Come on. Hook you. And there we go. So now that's all set up, we can just put the kelp block in here and fill that all up, and then put all this kelp in. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, that's not good. Let's just check out where that is right now. So that's 2, 3 off of there. Looks like we should have the room to destroy some of this. There's some redstone we might need to redo. You we can do. Yeah. So we just need to clear that out. And then it should be good. That's a working. Okay. Looks good. Let's just make sure everything's working. Yeah. Looks perfectly good. That's basically our smelting system. I don't think I'll be smelting anything much other than glass that I'll need to. Okay. And I don't want to destroy that because it's going to release a bunch of water everywhere. And okay, let's just build up and fix it. Okay. Oh, this is probably a good time to show you how I did it. So, not like that though. How did I do this again? So there's supposed to be a torch on the other side. Yeah. So we're good still. Basically, take the redstone from this here, you wrap around here, and these are 2 redstone torches, so it inverts the signal, so it's on by default, which means it's up by default, and so that's good. And then you flip the switch whenever you want it up or down, which I guess it wouldn't matter with a lever, but if I maybe want a button or, you know, anything else, it'll be good. So let's get out of here real quick. Close that, and we can just put all the kelp down there. Oop, frame rate. It's maybe not the best idea, but whatever. And shouldn't it float up? No, because it's, yeah, shouldn't it float up to the top? All this. And let's jump back down again. And we could actually get some of this starting to cook up right now. But I don't think I'll do that on camera, so thank you everybody for watching. I needed to get that done on video. I don't have very much time to record this video, and I needed to do something real quick. So thank you everybody for watching. Let me show that on video. Wanted to make sure you know how I'm doing all of my smelting and, you know, getting stuff done around the area. So thank you everybody for watching. I've had a wonderful time recording this. Hope you've had a wonderful time watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.